Hello children, welcome you in the bio class. Children, you have studied Mendel's law of inheritance. Gregor John Mendel conducted cross-breeding experiment taking Gordon P. Python sativum, and he concluded in the form of the three laws that is called Mendel's laws of inheritance: law of dominance, law of segregation, law of independent assortment. Children, you have to know why the Mendel was successful in his experiment. Mendel was successful in his mission. So first reason was his choice of pea plant. Mendel selected pea plant, and pea plants is such types of plants in which there was self-pollination, but in that cross-pollination also can be conducted. So his choice of pea plant was excellent. Second, what experiment he had conducted? He kept a complete record of every class and applied statistical method for the calculation in the observation, and he applied law of probability for computing his result. Next, Mendel took one or two traits one time for his experiment. First, he studied monohybrid cross. It means he took only one trait at a time, or in the dihybrid cross, two traits at a time he studied. He did not took many traits together. If many traits together has taken, then it can create confusion. So for avoiding the confusion in the result, he took one or two traits. His experiments had a large sampling size. It means he collected a large number of data from his experiment. And Gregor John Mendel was fortunate that enough characters were found in the material in the plant which he had selected for his experiment. He had selected pea plant for his experiment. Children, you have studied in the pea plant many contrasting features, characters or traits were found, as tall plant, dark plant, red flower, white flower, inflated pod, constricted pod, round seed, wrinkled seed, yellow seed coat, green seed coat. So like this, many contrasting characters were found, and the factors which were controlling them, these characters, these factors were found on the separate chromosomes. So therefore, there was no linkage, no incomplete dominance, no gene interaction. And he paid attention, full attention, to check contamination from pollen grain when he conducted cross-breeding experiment. He emasculated from the female plant. After selecting the plant, he considered one plant as male, other plant as female, and from the female plant, he removed the anther, that is emasculation. After that, bagging means it was covered by transparent polythene so that any other pollen grain cannot reach on the stigma of the female. So this was the reason why Mendel was successful in his experiment. Children, you have to study what are the practical applications of Mendel's law, or what is biological importance of Mendelism. Mendel's law have practical application in plant as well as in animal breeding. Mendel have told dominant character and recessive character. So dominant character is able to express when there is the cross between the two parents taking a pair of contrasting characters. So it was used for improving the plant varieties and races. Hybridization and selection are used for obtaining improved varieties of the plants, which provide high yield, which are resistant to disease, which are resistant to adverse climatic conditions. Second point is, this Mendel's experiment was also successful in the improvement of animal